Okay, yeah, so today we started this candlelight march in Bagator. We were stopped on the way, like
Silence.
Yeah. We were stopped and we were questioned, why do we need the march when everything was settled yesterday, but nothing was settled. We as villagers from different villages were not happy. That's why we all have come here. We were also caught red-handed at a club ride. They didn't let the PI walk in. Yeah, so it has all come on camera. This shows that there is a lot of loopholes, a lot of corruption right from the top, right? And the CM really has to take strict action on all this. We carried on our candlelight march, okay, all the way to the police station. We've told them how many people are suffering, how many people have died in the past, elderly people. With their illness, they were forced to die early. It's injustice to their death. Yeah, we've come here and now we've asked the GS PCR. Okay, we've spoken to him and he has told us he's going to speak to his higher up and he'll get back to us, because all these clubs will not be functioning until they install the sound monitoring system. It shouldn't be, and we don't want all this to be, because this is our demand we've already placed. No club should function till the sound monitoring system is installed.